Now we are going to look at end operator. uh, so so on the left here we have a table of room details, 4 rooms at a hotel, for each room number, right? We have a room style which was waived as a single or double bed, right? See, and we also have a column called window view and gives what type of scenic view each room has, right? Let's say we had been given the following task, like write a query to return only only hotel rooms that have both a room style equal to single and a window view equal to version, right? How to achieve this? How to use end operator in SQL Server? Let's see. So to do this, we use end operator in the query. Let's see. Select from hotel rooms where condition room style is equal to single, as a quote, single quotation mark single, and window view is equal to, it meets the both the conditions, then only it will satisfy and give the result. And means that should be both conditions should be true, right? One condition also false. If one condition is false, then it did not give any result. So the conditions, room style should be single. If single is there, single room is there, and window view is version is there, then only it will give the result. If single plus other than ocean or mountain, if any ocean or mountain or plain view is there, some plain view or sunny view is there, single plus sunny view is not there in a window view, so it will give false result, it did not give any result, right? End operator is false, then false. True, if both conditions are true, it will true, result will be true. One true and one is false, then the result will be false. That is the beauty of end operator. The both conditions should be satisfied, right? This is the end. Now OR operator. Let's see OR operator. Now going to take a look at the OR operator. Let's see same. If one condition is satisfied, like just to write a query, if any one condition, if room style is single or window is version, the result will, it will give the result. Any one condition, if it's satisfied, the result will give, it will gives the query will gives the result, right? See, one is true, 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 one is false, one is true, true, one is true, one is both are true, it will give true, true, and one true, one false, it will true, one false, what both are false, it will be false, right? Let's see operator precedency, how end or operators how to use precedency, right? We'll be looking at operator precedency. It will be going for an example like where we use both the end operators in the same query, like see, let's get started. This is the table. We have our hotel room table. Let's say we write the following query against this table. Select from hotel rooms where room style is equal to single or room style is double, single or double, any room style will be single or double, any room style, both anything is satisfied, single or double, and window view should be version. So window, so the result will be version window should be there, single or double, which means the first 3 rows, see, right? Single or double version window view is there, right? So first 3 rows we will get room style single or room style is equal to double and window view is equal to version. Where condition, by using where condition, how many rows we will return by this query? 3 rows, right? 4 rows. Answer 4 rows return. How? Single or room style, single or double, and window should be version, window view should be version. Two conditions on either side of the AND operator, and the SQL is looking for all rows with a room style equally double and window view equals version. Then it is the condition or the view. The query is going to return all the rooms with a room style of single regardless of what the window. Why? Well, and you can see that with the room number 4, which has a room style of single, this row gets returned each though it does not have a window version view. If we want to evaluate OR operator before the AND operator, we can do this by putting parentheses around the conditions on either side of the OR operator. This is because parentheses have the highest level of precedency and therefore get evaluated first, right? So let's now look at that. So now we have put parentheses on either side of the OR operator, and this therefore says everything within the parentheses to get evaluated first, and therefore the order gets evaluated before the AND. Here 3, how many rows we will now be returned? Answer is 3 rows, right? Now we are returning all the rooms that have a room style of singular, double, and the room. So look at the precedence level of various operators. Parenthesis, multiplication, mod, multiplication of division, not, and or. So parenthesis has the highest precedency, it gets evaluated first, or are the lowest precedency and it's evaluated last. Not and, not and. Parenthesis, multiplication, subtraction, not and or, not and or precedency, not and or is the lowest precedency, right? Operator precedency, just remember we have the not operator. The AND operator, last of all we have the operator which has the lowest value of the precedency, therefore gets validated last. In operator, let's see in operator. The in operator. In operator can be used to check if a value is included in some specified list of values. The in operator allows you to specify multiple values in the where clause. right? Where we can also specify a subquery after the in operator. More on that later in the course, right? Let's see. Select table name where column. If you want particular student names, in a classroom, like select from that school name where that students column. In that we can get that student details, like right, give the student names and the values in the column. So we have to specify in the parentheses. So let's go to some real example. Here select supplier ID, part name and quantity from shipments. It's a shipments table. Write a query to return all shipments from supplies 101, 102, 104. Supplies ID, so 101, 102, 104, right? So what is the query? Select supply ID, part name, quantity ID from shipments where supply ID is equal to 101 or supply ID is equal to 102 or supply ID is equal to 104. For our conditions we have to use where and where, right? Here instead of or we can give like this: supply ID in, select supply ID, part name, quantity from shipments where supply ID in 101, 102, 104, right? Like that we can utilize in operator. See, if you want to part name, supply ID, part name, quantity from shipments where part name in, for names like strings we have to be put those string values in single quotation marks, right? Logical operator challenges. So let's see. So up to now we completed and or. So next let's see challenges.